Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Prachi Creation. Today we are going to learn DIY pot painting Durga face. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon. So let's get started. For this we will need an old pot and Asian white paint. For painting the pot you will need an old cloth. Now fold it as I am showing. Now dip the cloth in the Asian paint and paint on the pot. Paint the white color on the all side of the pot. Now take an pencil and draw the Durga face as I am showing. Now take a acrylic red color and paint on the right side of the Durga face. Now take an acrylic yellow color and paint it on the left side of the Durga face. Now take an white acrylic color and paint it on the pot. I am painting it because on my pot there are designs on the pot. If on your pot there is not the design like this, you can just skip it. Now I am painting the acrylic white color on the nose, eyes and mouth. Now take an black acrylic color and I am using the 0 size brush and paint the outline of the eyes. Now take a pencil and draw a circle on the center of the eyes. And paint the circle with the black acrylic color. Now take an black acrylic color and draw the outline of the nose. dark shapes. Now take the black acrylic color and paint the lips outline. Now take the red color and draw a binni. Now take an black acrylic color and paint the third eyes of the Durga's face. Now take the white acrylic color and draw the nose pin of the Durga. And our beautiful Bengali pot painting Durga face is ready. Friends, if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to press the bell icon.